Hello, this is topic 5-5 on perimeter problems. Just as a review, perimeter measures the distance around an object. Okay, we want to figure out how far it is to go around. For instance, if we're building fence. Okay, which is why we have a picture of a fence over here. Now, most objects, we have a formula to solve the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, and that formula is that the perimeter of a rectangle equals twice the length plus twice the width. Most of the time we don't have a formula, and so we simply add all sides. And even if you have a rectangle, adding all sides will work, so that's what we're going to stick with. Now, the length of a rectangle is 3 inches more than the width. So this is my width, this is also my width, and this is 3 plus my width, and 3 plus my width. And I'm told that the perimeter is 98, so P equals 98. So add up all the sides. 98 equals 3 plus W plus 3 plus W plus W plus W. Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 W's plus 6. Go ahead and solve. I'm given that my width is 23. But they don't want my width, they want the length. And so my length, I said, was 3 more than my width. So 23 plus 3 is 26. And so that's the answer that they want. They wanted the length of 26. Moving on to our next example. Here we're told the length of a rectangle is 3 times the width, and that the perimeter is 48. So if that's my width, then those are my lengths at 3 times the width. So my perimeter of 48 will equal 3W plus 3W plus W plus W. 48 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8W. When I divide both sides by 8, I get that my width equals 6. And since my length is 3 times that, I get that my length is 18. And so there are my width and length. Quite simple. Let's go ahead and keep on going. Well, now we're given an odd shape. It's not a rectangle, this is a trapezoid. And they give us some information. It says the parallel bases have lengths of x and 2x plus 1. And the legs are 2x minus 3. And the perimeter is 30. So 30 equals, well, let's count up our x's. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 x's. My other numbers, negative 3, negative 6, negative 5. Save a little bit of time by doing my math like that rather than writing it all out. Go ahead and solve. Add 5 to both sides. I get that 35 equals 7x. And then I divide by 7. And I get that x equals 5. So now I want to know the length of each side. Well, x equals 5. 2x minus 3, that would be 2 times 5 minus 3 is 10 minus 3 equals 7. And 2x plus 1, that would be 2 times 5 plus 1 is 11. So my sides are 5, 7, 7, and 11. Because I have 2 of those. Let's go ahead and look at triangles. Now, here I have 3 sides. I really don't care which one goes where, so I'm just going to go ahead and write them down. 2x plus 7, 4x minus 3, and 3x minus 11. And my perimeter is 119. So 119 equals 1, 2, 6, 9x, a negative 3, and a negative 11 is a negative 14, plus 7 is a negative 7. Let's go ahead and solve. Add 7 to both sides. Divide both sides by 9. So we're told that x equals 14, but we want to know the shortest side. So I'm going to need to find all 3 sides just to confirm which one is the shortest. So 2 times 14 plus 7. 4 times 14 minus 3. And 3 times 14 minus 11. That's 35. 53. And 31. And so this one is my shortest side. You may have been tempted to say, well, 2 is the smallest coefficient, and so that has to be my shortest side. However, it wasn't, because subtracting 11 was a bigger deal than adding 7. Let's go ahead and move on to number 5. And our last example for this assignment. Now the hexagon has 3 sides that are x plus 4. And 3 sides that are x minus 5. Well, I can go ahead and just write that out as 3 times x plus 4 plus 3 times x minus 5 if I wanted to. Set that equal to 93. Okay. 6x, 12 minus 15 is negative 3. Add 3 to both sides. 6x equals 96. Divide by 6. Now I get that x equals 16. And I want to know my longest side. Well, 16 plus 4 is 20. And 16 minus 5 is 11. So the longest side would be 20. And here, it'd be kind of obvious that adding 4 is going to be bigger than subtracting 5. But still, I went ahead and found both just in case. So this is quite simple. Mostly what we're doing is adding and then solving for x. And then lastly, making sure that we actually answer the question that's being asked. Good luck on your assignment and have a good day.